Hello and welcome back. We're getting the CNC electronics finalized now. It's all built into here. This table we didn't actually film, this is pre-channel. It's been sitting here for a while, but we're finally at the point where we need this working, so it's time to get on with it. I've got cables which need to be terminated into the drives. All the cables have been dropped, all the drag chain is run. Just need to get AC hooked up to this board. We need to get power out the back for the chiller, and that's pretty much it. We've got a solenoid hook up as well, but other than that, we've just got our I/O and such, and this is going to be ready to go pretty quickly. My goal for this week is to get this router up and running. So a bit of work to do. We've got a bed to make for it. We've got to get it all calibrated, PC set up, monitor arm built. It's going to be a busy week. Thank you very much for watching and joining us as we time-lapse our way through setting up the electronics on this. Finally got the PC in there, got all the AC wired up, which is really good. I've been meaning to do that for ages. Still a few more things I need to do before it's good to go. I've got to build the bed for it yet. That'll be maybe tomorrow, maybe later this week. We've got to get the 12 volt connected up here. At the moment it's just hanging loose, but that'll be quick and easy. We've got a couple of connections I need to solder inside, but I need to get a connection diagram for the error output of the two servo drives. Those aren't connected to the Ethernet smooth stepper, but I don't have a way to get enough internet here for doing that. So I'll print those off home and bring them in, and we'll do that as part of the next steps on this. I would like to, sooner rather than later, put micro switch limits on this. At the moment it's inductive procs, and it's only good to about 0.3 to 0.4 of a millimeter. Not really accurate enough for the homing that I like to do, so we'd need to do that. Otherwise, good progress today, and we're on our way to having this thing back up and running, which is going to be awesome. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see some more CNC stuff, laser projects, wood projects, shop improvements, feel free to hit subscribe, check out our other videos, hit the bell for notifications, leave a like, and if you've got any ideas of what we can do to make this CNC router more awesome, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.